So let's start our first round of our granny square. We're going to be making the center part. It consists of 4 clusters, 3 double crochets in each cluster, separated by a chain stitch. So let's start. I'm going to take my yarn and make a slip knot. I'm going to chain 4 stitches. The first double crochet that I'm going to make is going to go into the first chain that I made. Okay, so it's right here. That's the chain stitch that we are going to go into. So let's do a double crochet right into that first chain. And make 1 more double crochet. So what we have is those first chain stitches. That's going to count as the first double crochet in our cluster, the second double crochet and third. So we have 1 chain, we crochet 2 double crochets, and together those make our first cluster. I'm going to chain 1. Now I'm going to make 3 double crochets into this same hole. That's 1. 2 into that same hole. And 3. So we've made our second cluster. I'm going to chain 1. We have 1 cluster separated by a chain. The second cluster separated by a chain. I'm going to make 3 more double crochets back in that same hole. Followed by a chain 1. We have 3 now clusters, and we're ready to do our 4th. Again, right through that same hole, and do 3 more double crochets. And a chain 1. Now we're going to join our work into the top of this chain. So into this one, which is the 3rd chain, we're going to do a slip stitch. Then we can cut our yarn and pull this loop through. So now what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters separated by chain stitches. And in the second row, we are going to be using this chain space to add our next set of clusters.